What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today the first thing that we are going to talk about is about Solana. Just yesterday we were talking about this descending triangle right here, and I said that if we would break below the level of this consolidation zone right here, it would be a very entry point for a short position. And as you can see, since we broke this to the downside, we went 3.5% to the downside. Bullseye, an excellent trade. We hit the target for the descending triangle, as you can see right there, and you could have made a lot of money on this trade, especially if you are using leverage. If you also want to start trading guys and making your own money, my recommendation to you is Bybit, my favorite exchange. I've been trading on Bybit for a while and never had a single problem, so that's why I recommend it to you. And using the link on the description of this video to sign up, of course you are going to be supporting the channel, and also you can claim up to $30,000 bonus, depending of course on how much you are willing to deposit and trade. But if you don't want to do KYC, then I recommend you to use the second link on the description of this video and sign up to Bitflex. Here you can claim $10 when you deposit $100. In this video I'm also going to talk about Bitcoin, Link and Polkadot guys. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to smash the like button already and stick with me until the end of this video. Starting with Bitcoin guys, we didn't hit the target here yet. As you can see, if we consider the descending triangle, our target is going to be all the way down to $26,150. On yesterday's video I was telling you about the importance of this orange line at $26,800 right here. And I said that if we would come all the way back to these levels, would be a very good level to short this position. The price action really came all the way up to this level, retested it and was rejected by it. From this exact point we saw 1% drop on the price action of Bitcoin. But right now I'm not that confident anymore that we are going to have the continuation of this movement to the downside, because we could be forming here on the 1 hour time frame a double bottom scenario, as you can see. And if we are going to keep seeing the price going up here and breaking above the level of this neckline right here at 26,900, then we could expect an explosive movement all the way up to the level of these resistances. More specifically, let's calculate the target of this pattern right here. It would be all the way up to $27,200, as you can see. Of course, I'm not telling you to jump into a long position from this point right here, but if we are breaking above the $26,900, yes, then it would be a very good trade. If we are never breaking above this level, then we could keep expecting the price to come all the way down to the $26,150. For Solana, everything is very simple, guys. We just have to pay attention here to the level of this support at $20,000.11, which is the exact level that supported the price action after hitting the target that we had right here. If we are going to lose the level of the support, then of course, guys, you understand already, the next important level of support would be all the way down to this zone of support here between $20.38 and $20.26. If we are going to be supported by this level, then most probably we are going to come all the way up to the level of this previous support that we had, now to retest it as a new resistance. Breaking it to the upside, the next resistance that we have is all the way up to $22.40. Everything very simple here, guys, because we have these very well defined levels of support and resistances. For Solana, guys, I was showing to you this bullish falling wedge here, but as you can see, this breakout turned out to be just a fake out, unfortunately, and the previous resistance of this pattern didn't manage to support the price as a new support, and we of course fail this pattern. Even though we failed this pattern, we cannot deny that this descending white line right here is a level of support. By the way, is the level that is supporting the price action, together with this horizontal zone of support on the bigger time frames, which range from $3.55 to $3.73. Changing to the weekly time frame here, guys, you can see the importance of this level of support that we are at right now. Breaking below the level of the support would be very bad, and we have to change to the daily time frame here to understand the next level of support. Let me zoom in right here. There we go. The next support would be at $3. On the 1 hour time frame, we are having bullish divergence since this low right here. Let me show you the RSI. There we go. low, higher lows, low, lower lows. This could indicate for us that on the following days we could see some type of relief rally, guys. Before I go, pay attention to this pattern here, guys. As you can see, we are bouncing in between the support and resistance. This is usually a bullish pattern, and if we are going to break this to the upside, guys, and successfully retest it as a new support, guys, then we could expect a very good movement to the upside. Let's calculate the target. Just give me a second. The height of this pattern, our target would be at $7.70. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!